Hello everyone, welcome to today's Android tutorial on how to use webdav in Nova Player. For this we have some requirements. First of all, we need pikpak-plus account. You can find the link in the description on how to create your own pikpak-plus account. And also you need Nova Player to be installed in your Android phone. Link is provided in the description. And also you need webdav credentials. I will be using my own credentials, so this will be deprecated right after this video. Okay, now let me open Nova Player. Go to this network shortcuts. Click on this browse network share. Select webdav and give the endpoint URL here. And you can provide your pikpak-plus username here like this. I have shown in another video how to create this username, and also provide username and password. Now click on connect. Now click on this 3 dot more icon and click on this add a shortcut and click OK. As you can see, the network drive is indexed as below. Now let's add some content into this folder. For that, navigate to pikpak-plus website and log in with your credentials and click submit. Now go to search and try to find some content. I will select YTS and I will try to search with keyword Avengers. Now we got some results here. Let's select any one of them. Copy magnet and go to magnet section and create a task. The task has been created. Let's try to search for one more item. Now I will search for Batman. I will add the first URL itself. Go to magnet and paste the magnet again. Create task. So this task has been created again. Now go to folder section. You will see that 2 videos available. Now go to Nova Player again. Click on this reload icon and click rescan content. Now go to movie section. You can see the movies had been added. As you can see, all the details regarding the movie was available to us. Now click on play from beginning button. You can see the video is loaded.
This house, Master Wayne, has sheltered 6 generations of your family.
Similarly, you can add more videos, and Nova Player will act as a media server and helps you to organize your video content. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you everyone.